Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay, so students, today we'll start our new lesson, and that is keeping fit. Okay, chapter 9. The lesson name is keeping fit. Okay, students. So, what are the keeping fit? What are the activities that we have to do? So that we will learn. Okay, so let's see first the objectives of this lesson. Okay, so learning objectives are here. The first things we are going to learn from this lesson is importance of healthy food. Okay, why we need to take healthy food, what is the healthy body. Okay, so these are the things we will learn. We will get the answer of all these question. Okay, and the second thing we will learn about the exercise, why the exercise is very important to us. Okay, why we have to do exercise. Okay, so this answer also we will learn from this lesson. Okay, and the third one we will learn that healthy eating habits. Yes, we eat a lot of things, but there is the way to eat. Okay, so sometimes we eat without knowing. Okay, so just we eat, that's all, but we don't know how to eat. Okay, so these things we will learn from this lesson. And then another thing is rest and sleep. Okay, yes, what is the role of rest and sleep, that we will learn from this story. Okay, student, and then we will learn a good posture. Okay, so what is good posture, what is called good posture, so all this answer we will get from this lesson. And then we will learn about the playing games, what is the role of playing games to keeping fit. Okay, so this one also we will learn. And then we will learn keeping clean. Okay, so how we will keep clean ourselves, that one we have to learn. And then the cleanness in the surrounding. Okay, so this also we will learn from this this lesson. Okay, students, so these are the things that we will learn from this lesson. And the last is a good touch and the bad touch. Yes, this is very important for us, what is good touch and what is bad touch. Okay, so these things we will learn from this lesson. Okay, students. Okay, now let's start. The first is importance of healthy body. Okay, importance of healthy body. Here is the conversation between Aditi and the doctors. Okay, Aditi falls ill very often. Her parents took her to the doctor. Let us read what she told the doctor about her routine. Okay, so whenever we fall in sick, okay, so our parents, they took us to the doctor, isn't it? And when we go there, and then doctor asks us lot of things. Okay, so the same way the doctor asks to Aditi. Okay, now let's see what the Aditi replied. Okay, that Aditi said, I like to eat junk food for lunch. Yes, she liked to eat junk food like burger, pizza. Okay, they are called the junk food, so she loved to eat that. And then the second thing that she said, that I do not play game in the park. So she do not play games in the park. What she do no? She love to play game on computer. Okay, so or by watching television. So here we can see that she don't play games in the park, and she loved to play games on the computer. She watched television for long hour, and she slept at night. Okay, late night, that means she slept at late night. So these are the activities that she do, and that is the reason that she fall ill very often. Okay, now let's see what the doctor said to her. Okay, so doctor, when he listened everything carefully about the Aditi and what does she like, what she don't like. Okay, so when he heard, and now that the doctor is giving her some advice to do few things daily. Okay, the first things that doctor said her to do exercising. Okay, the exercising is very important in our daily activities. Okay, and that is good for our health. So that the doctor said you must do the exercise. And the second things the doctor said, eating healthy food, don't eat that junk food. Okay, So doctor said don't eat junk food. You instead of taking a junk food, you must eat the healthy food. Okay, that the doctor advisor. And then the third thing, the doctor said taking enough rest. Yes, you have to take enough rest. So if you don't take rest, then you will fall in ill. Okay, so that the advice that doctor said. And then the another things that doctor said, and that is keeping her body clean. Yes, you have to keep your body clean always. Don't keep your body dirty. So that the doctor said. Okay, and the last things that the doctor said, that is maintaining a correct posture. Okay, maintaining a correct posture. So if you follow these things, then only you can have a healthy body. If you don't follow all these things, then you will fall in ill. Okay, so students, what the things happened with the Aditi, the same things can be happen with you if you don't follow all these things: exercising, eating healthy food, taking enough rest, keeping her body clean, and then the maintaining a correct posture. Okay, so these are the things. If you are not following, if I am not following, then we have to face the illness. Okay, so students, to avoid the illness, or to avoid to fall in illness, then we have to follow this healthy habits. Okay, so now here it helps her to become fit and healthy. Now she is very happy and active child. Yes students, if you follow this one, now Aditi started to follow this all the habits, and now she become a happy and the active child. Okay, so students, if you don't follow all this, then what will happen in your body? You will feel the laziness, you will feel tired. Okay, even what will happen, no, you if you don't follow this and all, you will you don't get the energy to study. Okay, so these are the things that is very important to us, that we have to follow, and we all like to be a fit and a healthy. Let us read about the healthy routine which we should follow to keep ourselves fit and active. Yes students, now let us see that Aditi, what does Aditi started to do, and now she become a happy and the active girls. Okay, the same way we can also be, you can also be active and healthy or fit. Okay, so if you follow these things. Okay, now the first thing student, that is exercising. Okay, exercising, why it is exercise is important. Okay, we should do some exercise daily. Going for a walk, playing games, dancing, cycling, and the swimming are some good exercise. Do yoga in the morning. Yoga keeps us fit and healthy. Yes students, these are the things that you have to do. Exercise is most important in our body. Okay, so if you don't do the exercise, if you don't go outside to play, if you don't play, that you are losing your body. Okay, your body become a heavy weight. Okay, so look at here, these are the some activities that you can do. Okay, you can go out for the walk, you can do the yoga, you can do the exercise, even you can go for the cycling, or in even morning walk. Okay, so these are the activities that helps our body to be active and healthy. Okay students, if you don't follow this, then what happens? Your body become a lazy, you feel dumb. Okay, and you will not get energy to do any work. Even if somebody says you to bring this, that one, or this one, that time you will get angry. Why do you know? Because you feel lazy and you don't want to go and bring that one. Okay, and that the way that you can lose your study. If you don't keep your body active, then you will not get energy for study. Okay students, so these are the things that we have to do for exercising. go evening walk with your parents, or sometime go to the park for playing, or even to the ground to play cricket and all the things. Or if you have a cycle, you can go for the riding. Okay, so these are the things that helps these are the things that help us to do exercise. Okay, these all the activities are the exercise. Okay, so students, do you remember what is the exercise? Yes, exercise is very important too in our life. Okay, so by exercise only we can keep our body fit and healthy. Now let's see what is the next one, and next one is healthy eating habits. Okay, we should eat fresh and drink plenty of water. We should avoid eating junk food. Yes, students, this is very important. Healthy eating habits we should have. I know many of you don't like to eat that fruits and the vegetable, isn't it? But that is not good. Okay, so you have to eat fruits and vegetables as much as possible, and also you have to drink plenty of water. I don't know how many glasses of water do you drink in a day, but we should at least we have to drink more than 8 glass of water, okay, in a day. Okay, students, so that help us our body, our digestion system good. Okay, so these are the things that you have to keep it in mind. So instead of eating a junk food, I always suggest you don't eat junk food, because that junk food it doesn't help you. Okay, it only increase our fat. Okay, because there is a lot of proteins are there, so it's make you heavyweight. Okay, students, so this one you have to keep it in your mind. And the junk food can make you fat and lazy. Yes, students, if you eat junk food, then it will make you fat and lazy. Okay, now the third one, another one is rest and sleep. Yes, it is a very important. Rest makes us feel active and fresh. Sleep gives us complete rest. We should sleep for at least 8 hours every day. Yes, students, this is very important. Okay, so to make your body active, we have to do the exercise. No, if you do the exercise, if you play games or if you go outdoor games, then no, automatic you will feel tired, and when you get tired, you will get a good rest. Okay, complete rest you will get. If you don't play, then you will not get sleep. Okay, so then it will make your body lazy. Okay, and students, you have to keep it in mind that at least we have to sleep 8 hours. There is a 24 hours in a day, so 8 hours at least you have to sleep. Okay, then only your body will become get a complete rest. Okay, so these are the things that you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, students, and now the fourth one is being wise is heavy bags can hurt your backbone. Always carry books and notebooks according to the routine. Okay, so when you come to school, yeah, of course now it is lockdown, so we don't come to school. Okay, so but when you go to school, always carry according to the timetable. Don't carry excess. Okay, so heavy bags can hurt your backbone. This one you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, students, and this is the last one, that is good posture. Okay, what is the good posture? The position of your body when we sit, stand and walk is called posture. Okay, a good posture gives proper shape to our body. Okay, so this is very important, good posture. Okay, when we sit or we stand or when we walk, this is called this is called posture. Okay, now let's see what are the good posture, how to stand and how to walk or how to sit. Okay, so sit, stand and walk is called the posture. Okay, keep in mind, if the questions comes what is good posture, then you have to say when we sit, stand and walk, it is called posture. Okay, good posture gives us proper shape to our body. Yes, if you don't have a good posture, then your body become a band, okay, or even a sometime doll. Okay, so to give our body good shape, it is very important to follow the good posture. Okay, now let's see what are the good posture. Now look at here the picture. Okay, here there are the three pictures. Okay, one is bending in a front side, the first one, and the second is sitting in a proper way in the straight 90-degree, and the third one is that stomach has come out and the back and backbone's gone front and the head goes to the backward. Okay, so that is not good. Okay, that is the not good position. Okay, so the middle one, this is the good posture. Okay, so this is the way that we have to sit. Okay, and now let's see how to stand. Okay, so how to stand, look at here, that one is standing bending in the front, and one is standing and bending in the back side, and the one is standing straight. So this is the position, the third one position. Whenever you stand like this. Okay, don't bend your body, otherwise it will make your body, it will destroy your body shape. Okay, so these the things that you have to follow. Okay, now the third one is, now look at here the picture how the person is walking. Look at here, one person is walking, that he is bending his body in a backward, and one person is walking, he's bending his body in a front side, okay, forward, and the one is walking in the straight. So the third one is the right position to walk. Okay, so now just you think about how you walk, how you stand and how you sit. Okay, so if you are sitting like a first one, then you cannot stand straight, you will become a this one. Okay, that the standing a girl in a third position, that you will become a like this. Okay, so it is a very important how you sit, how you stand and how you walk. Okay students, so these the things are called walking, sitting and the standing are called, is called good posture. Okay, so this is very important to keep our body shape in a good way. Okay, so have you seen some people, no, their body become so fat and their legs are very small. Have you seen like that? Yes, there are many people, that is because of the good posture. Okay, they don't follow the posture route. Okay, so to keep your body good shape, that you have to follow the good posture. Okay, so now here this is your homework today students. Have a look, this is your homework. Okay, page number 68. Page number 68 is your homework. Look at here, fun time. Help them to name the things which keeps your body clean. Here are the some things are there, so just you have to write their name. Okay students, okay, I hope you enjoy my class. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye, see you tomorrow.